particularly to recognize those teachers who are meaningfully and innovatively using ICT in teaching learning process, and they have really made a difference in the school and in the surrounding areas by contributing to the quality learning by children. And since 2010, ICT awards have been given, and as a part of the award, a laptop is given and a citation also given. Along with that, a silver medal, 40 gram silver medal is also given. But usually the citation and the silver medal is given by Honorable President of India, and the laptop is given at NCERT because since there are some security issues also that we cannot give the laptop. And we have with us the Joint Director CIET and all the three national ICT awardees for the year 2012. And I must mention that due to some administrative problem, 9 awardees were there, and we had invited all of them for the workshop, this workshop, but due to their preoccupation, they could not, 4 or 5 of them, they could not come. So also another awardee from Tamil Nadu, Mr. Dilip, he could not come. But we have 3 honorable awardees with us. One, Dr. Chaudhary, he is representing Gujarat, Dr. Lakshman Bhai Chaudhary. And we have Mr. Jagdamba Prasad Dobal from Uttarakhand, and also we have Mr. Ramesh Prasad Badoni from Uttarakhand. And the 4th awardee which was supposed to attend this program and take the laptop, he could not come due to some problem, and we will hand over that to one of the Tamil Nadu team so that it reaches to the person. And Mr. Dilip has already confirmed us to hand over the laptop to one of their colleagues from Tamil Nadu. So I request the Joint Director CIET so kindly award the national awardees and recognize their contribution to this. So I request our people kindly, one after another I will be calling. First of all, Mr. Lakshman Bhai Chaudhary, and particularly Mr. Lakshman Bhai Chaudhary has integrated ICT with teaching of science and enhancing environmental awareness among learners. Thank you very much. And the next ICT awardee for 2012 is Mr. Jagadamba Prasad Dobal. He has used ICT in teaching of mathematics in the Uttarakhand and in his school and surrounding areas. So thank you very much. And the next awardee is from Gujarat, Mr. Dr. Lakshman Bhai Chaudhary. Sorry. Next awardee is from Uttarakhand, Mr. Ramesh Prasad Badoni. He has used ICT particularly in teaching of science and other school subjects. And I thank the Joint Director CIET for giving away these laptops to all the awardees. So let us give a clap for all the awardees.
I would like to take 1 minute of you. When we decided that we want to give this laptop, we had a choice. That we could have given you a Windows 8, Windows 7 machine with no software on it, or we could have given you an open source machine with all software on it. We chose to do the latter. I would only request that please don't revert back to Windows. I mentioned this in the morning also. Not only are you going to become a thief, you're going to tell your children also that it is okay to be a thief. You might be very comfortable with Windows, you might decide that, that is the only way to look at the world. But let me tell you, if you are looking out of a window, you are looking only at this part of the world. Open the door, go outside, and it's open. Everything is available to you. Okay? It will take a little effort, I certainly agree. But let me tell you, in the last 4 years, I have not heard of the word called reformatting on my machine. I have not done it. Every single time that I upgrade the software, not only does my operating system get upgraded, all the software that I have installed in it also get upgraded. Which doesn't happen with Windows. If you upgrade Windows, only Windows will upgrade, not even the Microsoft Office. Okay?
Yes.
Third, I simply switch on my language translator there. I use 3 different languages to type. And when I change the language, not only does my word processor start behaving like this, in every single software that I open, I can type in that language. I don't need to change it. It is already Unicode. Okay? And the day I want a new software, all I need to do is go and search for it, go get it inside here, and it will automatically keep getting updated every time. Let me promise you, there are larger number of educational software applications available in the open source system, and they can be in your language also. Because GeoGebra, it's available in your language. Okay? So please, all those of you who have taken a machine now, and those of you who have taken a machine earlier, at least respect the spirit with which we gave you. You buy another laptop with Windows 8, keep it separately, okay? Don't contaminate this machine. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, back to work. Thank you.
Maybe we can, for about half an hour, we can divide ourselves into different groups and start working.